Hello guys and welcome back to Guide Nation. Today I'll be showing you how to withdraw Hamster Combat Coin in Bybit. So, in order to do this, first of all, navigate to your Bybit application. So, make sure you have moved your Hamster Combat Coin from the Hamster Combat to Bybit. After this, in order to withdraw the Hamster Combat Coin in Bybit, you'll have to simply click on the trade button after navigating to Bybit. Now, you will see this page where you'll have to click on the BTC USDT option at the top of the screen. So click on this text and search for HMSTR. Now, after searching for HMSTR USDT, select Hamster USDT. Now, click on the sell option in this. Here, choose market as it is going to indicate that you're going to sell your Hamster Combat on the market price. Now, click on the order value. Here, click on USDT and choose Hamster. Now, in the quantity section, choose the amount of Hamster coin that you want to sell. After this, click on Sell Hamster and you'll be promoted to another page where you can easily sell your Hamster coin on Bybit. After selling this Hamster coin, you will receive USDT on your Bybit. Now, in order to move those USDT to your bank account, click on Assets icon at the bottom right side of the screen, then click on Withdraw. Now, search for USDT. Now, choose USDT and on this page, you'll have to basically add the address where you want to export this USDT. You can choose the network type by clicking here and choosing, for example, TRC. Now, enter the amount that you want to withdraw. After this, choose the withdrawal address. After doing all these settings, you'll have to simply click on the withdraw option. After that, you'll have to just follow the prompts, and after completing the prompts, you would have successfully withdrawn Hamster Combat Coin in Bybit. So that's how you do it. If you found this video helpful, please don't forget to give it a thumbs up and thanks for watching.